Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. A system's center of mass acceleration can seem tricky, but this one is quick. Decide whether it stays zero, changes, or remains constant and non-zero. For the two-block system, think about the whole setup together, not each block alone, because the question asks for the center of mass acceleration as block 2 falls through the motion. Block 1 speeds up horizontally, while block 2 speeds up vertically. And for this system, those accelerations stay steady, so the center of mass acceleration comes from combining constant contributions. Therefore, their mass-weighted sum is also constant and not zero, so the center of mass keeps a steady, non-zero acceleration during the fall. Well done! Option B, scan now, don't rush signs. Trust what's given and check the steps so constant non-zero acceleration stands out clearly.